name is Carlos, and I'm an OASIS intern. I'm being hosted here with Brain Recycling, located in Eugene. A big portion of my internship is helping with their Food and Beverage Manufacturing grant. So I help to support the team here to be able to give recommendations centered around refrigeration and how to save energy and money. Other general recommendations such as window tinting for like automotive, but also working with their EcoBiz to be able to give recommendations to more automotive manufacturers and being able to give more pollution prevention recommendations.
In today's video, we're going to explore automated door closers, specifically within large walk-in chillers. Information on commercial refrigerants to help you make more well-informed decisions on to be able to save money, energy, and the environment.
From this OASIS internship, just a lot more hands-on experience with providing with like connections with other businesses. A big portion of that is being able to provide these recommendations, but also learn how to write down these recommendations and put numbers behind them and signify why a lot of these recommendations are important to the overall business, but then also to the overall environment. So it's like an applied sustainability, what OASIS really says.